Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do latkans of the sari. So if you want to learn how to do amazing latkans, so stay tuned on my channel and you'll see a lot of creative things on my channel. So yes, let's get started. In this sari, I have already got knots ready made. So I have removed the knot and have kept it open for my next creation. And then I'm going to remove the extra thread. You can see the extra thread where you can just see like which are coming out. You're going to take a needle and remove the single thread, how many threads are coming out. So you're going to do it repeatedly till you reach a proper destination and you feel like I don't want to remove more. So till that, like I have removed at least something 10 to 20 strands from the sari. Can you see the light green patch? I have just not gone further till that, so I have removed the strands from that patch only. After all the knots are removed, I am going to take a needle and comb the threads because you need to have a very smooth threads to do this design. Whenever you do a design, any small or creative design, you need to have knots in the front line. You create any design, if you put knots in the front line, like all the threads will be secure enough to take care of your full sari. Then I'm going to take a very small patch of it and I'm going to put a knot. This technique also has a unique technique to put knot. You are going to twist it and put a knot. You can see in the video, then you can understand. Explaining is better till you can see it. Let me complete all the knots and come back soon. Now I'm going to take a single thread with one knot. I'm going to divide it into two parts. Then I'm going to take the next thread which I have one knot, and from there also I'm going to divide it into two parts. I'm going to take the center two parts and make a knot of it. Before putting a knot, I'm going to twist it, turn it and put a knot as before. Then you can see one string in the corner side. So for the corner side, I'm going to take a knot again. I'm going to twist it again and put a single thread knot. Then I'm going to take the remaining part of the second knot half part, and then I'm going to take the next knot which has one knot. I'm going to divide that string also into two parts. Then I'm going to put one more knot. So explaining is better to see, so please see it and understand it how you're going to do this. This is a little complicated, but see it really properly, you will understand. First I'm going to take the last edge one. I'm going to take the whole thread. With the second thread, I'm going to divide into two parts. I'm going to take one part and put a knot. Then I'm going to take the second, which is remaining half part, and I'm going to take the third point, and from there I'm going to divide it into two parts and then put a knot. This is how the outcome will come out. It will look so beautiful. Similarly, I'm going to continue the first knots and the second knots and continue the whole sari. These are the beautiful tassels I have bought from Meesho. Then if you want to know the links, comment down below. After doing the knots, I have added the tassels. OMG, it is looking so beautiful. This has a technique to add the tassels as they have inbuilt thread with it. So let's show you how to do it. Can you see the knot between the two? I am just going to put the thread inside that knot, twist the thread with my finger and then push it backwards, and then remove the tassel from that hole and just remove it out, and this is the hanging how it goes on. the tassels, and now I'm going to put the remaining tassels and show you the final look. So this is my final look of my sari. It is turned out so beautiful, and if you have not still subscribed to my channel, then also do subscribe and follow my channel, and also don't forget to follow on my Instagram too. And further ado, bye and take care.